Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync audio with video and Shotcut to fix audio delay. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open the project I have just created on Shotcut. This is the project I have just created, and let's say that this audio in this video is delayed and I'm going to sync the audio with the video. If you want to do that, we can extract the audio. You can tap on your video and then you're going to go to the extract option. Okay, this one guys, click on extract audio and then you can adjust the position of the audio so it can sync with the video. You can move it to the right like this or to the left to sync the audio with the video. Alright guys, and that is how basically we can sync audio with video in a Shotcut to fix audio delay. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.